There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'd find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no heart of sorrow.
Sea grasses are the only unique flowering plants which recolonize the sea. They formed ecosystems which have important roles in fisheries, fish nursery grounds, habitat diversity, and sediment stabilization. Seagrasses reproduce by asexual means, so meadows spanning vast areas of seabed are genetically identical. Seagrasses occur on every continental margin except Antarctica. Seagrasses plays a vital role on economic and ecologic factors because they provide food, habitat, and nursery areas for numerous vertebrates and invertebrate species which is cached for humans to make use of. In such manner, without these sea creatures supported by seagrasses, economy's backbone which is agriculture might collapse. Seagrasses also maintain the marine ecosystem balance and a big player in the fight against climate change. Some common threats that destroy seagrasses are illegal fishing, pollution, and other human practices which involves fishing and building of infrastructures. We can protect seagrasses by spreading the awareness of the possible bad effects of continuous abusive practices on mankind and how it would affect everyone. We can also help on coastal cleanups and other community projects that would get rid of water pollution.
You and me. We can really get there if we care enough for the living to make a little space.
Mangroves. At the interface between land and sea in the tropical and subtropical latitudes, this woody plant grows. They can survive or naturally live on high salinity, extreme tides, strong winds, high temperatures, and muddy anaerobic areas. They are called mangroves. Economically and ecologically, mangroves also has its great contribution. They doesn't just give off breathable air, gives habitat for several species of water-based creatures, but they are also a natural barriers that help fight several natural calamities, such as storm surge, flooding, and typhoons, and help slow down erosion. Mangroves also play a great role to fight climate change. They help balance the ecosystem by giving habitat not just sea creatures but also for different types of animals. Mangroves also didn't escape the threats brought not just by nature itself but also human selfishness and abusiveness. They were greatly affected by pollution, building of coastal infrastructures, and natural calamities. We can protect mangroves by planting it on places where it is needed the most and participate on local or global projects not just to preserve it, but also to help address the growing concern of climate change.
'Cause I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, the sun is cold and rain is hard, and I know it's been that way for all my time, till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow, and I know it can't stop.